If you're seeing HandBrake Error 5, you're not alone. This is a common Windows-specific access denied issue, and it usually means HandBrake is being blocked from reaching a file, a folder, or even your GPU. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, so you can get back to encoding without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. First, let's understand what Error 5 actually means. In most cases, it's not a broken video file and it's not necessarily HandBrake itself failing, it's Windows refusing permission. That can happen if HandBrake doesn't have enough admin access, if you're trying to save to a protected location, or if Windows security is blocking the app with ransomware protection. The first thing to try is running HandBrake as an administrator. This is the simplest and most common fix. Close HandBrake completely if it's open. Make sure it's not still running in the background, then go to your HandBrake desktop shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once HandBrake opens, try your encode again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to change your output location. Error 5 often appears when HandBrake tries to save into a protected folder or a location that Windows is guarding. So instead of saving into system folders, network locations, or synced cloud folders, click Browse at the bottom of HandBrake and choose a simple destination like your desktop or a regular local folder in your user directory. Avoid locations like /program files, /Windows, or folders synced with OneDrive or Dropbox because those can block write access and trigger the error. Now, if you're still getting Error 5, Windows security may be interfering. This is especially common if controlled folder access is enabled. To check that, open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. From there, look for Manage Ransomware Protection. You'll either want to turn controlled folder access off temporarily for testing or keep it on and click Allow an app through. If you choose the Allow option, add handbrake.exe to the approved list. That tells Windows to stop blocking HandBrake from writing files. After you make that change, go back to HandBrake and run the encode again. In many cases, one of those 3 fixes will solve the issue immediately. Run as administrator, change the destination folder, or allow HandBrake through ransomware protection. If you want the fastest troubleshooting order, start with admin mode first, because it takes just a second. If that doesn't work, change the save location to your desktop. And if the problem still continues, check Windows Security next. That method usually gets rid of HandBrake Error 5 for most Windows users. Also, if you're using external drives, shared folders, or cloud-synced folders, keep in mind that permissions can get complicated fast. A folder might look normal, but Windows may still restrict access behind the scenes. That's why testing with a simple local folder is such a useful step. It removes a lot of guesswork and helps you isolate the real cause. Once your encode works again, you can always go back and fine-tune the security settings if needed. The goal is to get HandBrake working first, then make sure your system stays secure afterward. If this video solved your problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. That helps other viewers a lot too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.